16 long gun fire protection for 60 minutes as our last entry for this product review. If you're looking to buy a fireproof gun safe, you're definitely in for a treat with this item, which boasts of an hour of fire protection that's sure to withstand heat at 1875 degrees Fahrenheit. It also features a heat-activated expanding door seal that's designed to seal out smoke and water in the event of a fire, wherein the door expands up to 8 times its thickness. This heavy-duty fireproof long gun safe is genuinely a powerhouse. It even exceeds California Department of Justice regulatory standards for residential security containers. Added to that, it boasts of 12-gauge steel construction, a 5-inch thick composite steel door with a gear-driven lock and bolt system for added strength against prying, punching, and drill attack. It's designed with drill ballistic resistant plate that is 8 times more substantial and protects the digital, relocker, gear drive, and linkages. This gorgeous beast has a sleek look of semi-gloss textured powder coat black finish with silver pin striping and polished chrome tri-spoke handle. While its entirely upholstered gray interior features a 2-section gun rack that can store a maximum of 8 long guns per section and includes 4 adjustable removable shelves for additional storage options. Definitely, it's built like a tank, tough and robust, with an exterior dimension of 59 by 22 by 16 and weighs 380 pounds.